Did you know that honey is the only food that does not spoil? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Talk about a sweet beginning, right? Today, we're combining the timeless charm of honey with the juicy goodness of strawberries. Imagine a mask that not only brightens your skin, but also nourishes it with vitamin C and antioxidants. Intrigued? Well, stick around as we embark on this sweet and beneficial journey of creating a strawberry mask. To start off, gather 3 to 4 ripe strawberries and 1 tablespoon of honey. Strawberries, you see, aren't just a sweet treat. They're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. These power-packed nutrients brighten your skin, giving it a natural glow. Strawberries also have acidic properties that help to remove excess oil in the skin. Now let's not forget about the honey. This golden liquid is not just a sweet addition to your tea. It's a natural humectant, which means it seals in moisture to keep your skin hydrated. It's also antibacterial, helping to clear up any blemishes. Using fresh organic ingredients ensures that your skin is getting the purest form of these benefits. No hidden chemicals or preservatives, just pure skin-loving goodness. Now that we've got our ingredients, it's time to get mixing. Begin by mashing the strawberries into a smooth paste. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. Grab those ripe strawberries you've gathered, ensuring they're soft and ready to surrender their juicy goodness. Use the back of a fork to gently mash them, releasing their sweet aroma and vibrant color. Take your time here, friends. A smooth paste is key to a mask that will glide effortlessly onto your skin. Once you've got your strawberry paste, it's time to introduce our second star ingredient, honey. Now, honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and glowing. So pour 1 tablespoon of honey into your strawberry mixture. Now remember, we're mixing magic here, not just ingredients. So blend the strawberries and honey together with love and intention. As you stir, imagine the mask infusing your skin with all its natural goodness. Think about the brightening power of strawberries, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, mingling with the moisturizing magic of honey. Stir until the honey is fully incorporated into the strawberries, and you have a mask that's a beautiful blend of nature's finest. It should look and smell as sweet as it is powerful. Now that our mask is ready, let's get it on our skin. This is where we take the magic from the bowl and bring it to life on our faces. Stay tuned because the enchantment is just beginning. Apply the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Begin at the center of your face, working your way outwards with gentle upward strokes. This application method can help to ensure an even distribution and also stimulate blood flow. Remember, the goal here is to relax and let the strawberries and honey work their magic. These ingredients are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are known to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. So, while the mask is on, take this time to unwind. Maybe meditate or listen to your favorite podcast. After about 15 to 20 minutes, when the mask has dried and your skin has soaked up all the goodness, rinse it off with warm water. And there you have it, a simple and natural strawberry mask for glowing skin. Remember, just ripe strawberries and honey to brighten up your complexion. Try incorporating this into your routine. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Stay tuned for more sweet and simple skincare solutions.